Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jayakody YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Jeda AI to analyze Figma design. Okay guys, let me show you how you can do that. First, you have to go to your Figma design and then you have to get a screenshot by using maybe a print screen, or you can use light shot also. Light shot, there's a tool called light shot. Yeah, this one, light shot, okay, not shots. Actually, you can use this download for just download for Windows. Then you can use this with print screen button, and then you will be able to see. You can select the area, okay, like this, okay. Just select that area and then Control C to copy the screenshot, and then you have to go to Jeda AI workspace. You know already what is Jeda AI because it's so popular right now. And I'm going to paste the screenshot here by using Control V. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, now cool. Now you can see the actually this is a design I did. Actually, this is a simple one because I just did a previous. Actually, I just did a video before about how you can design something using something like this using Tkinter. Okay, Tkinter and Figma by using Figma and Tkinter. So the same design I use for this, and now I'm going to use. Actually, I'm going to use the AI Alchemy feature here. Just click on this and then click on this AI Alchemy option here. Right, cool. Wait, okay. Now you have to type needed changes or whatever you need. Okay, you can type anything. Uh, just you can ask what are the improvements. Maybe actually I don't know what to ask, but you can ask anything that you need about this design. Maybe how the login page should work, like that. Okay, so those are the prompts. Okay. However, now you have to click on analysis or mind map or flowchart. Everything works here. Okay, all the you can click on this column grid. Okay, like this. But I'm going to use the auto layout. I really like that. And now I'm going to click on the generate button here. Wait, keep calm. Okay, all steady. That's what it said. Okay, let's see. I already did a video about this, but I really needed to do something with Figma also because most of the UI UX designers they just actually they don't see what are the errors, what are the issues in their design. So you can use this Jedi AI tool to review that without any human. Okay, I mean you can hand over that to the human, but I mean just use this before you hand over that design to the human. Okay, if you are a freelancer, you can use this especially. However, this is about the background color. Change the background color to a light gray or white shade. And that's a good suggestion, right? Okay. And header size, increase the font size of the logging header. I think that's cool. Okay, great. Really cool. And input field spacing, adjust the spacing between the input field to make them evenly distributed. Yeah, cool. And placeholder text, add placeholder text with yeah, actually that's a required part because I don't have any placeholder text here, so that's a better solution. Okay. And submit button, make the submit button larger and more visually or appealing. Change its shape or add icon. Actually, I think the submit button should be more beautiful, I mean more nice. It means maybe we can add some border radius here, so you like this here by using you can add a border radius and also padding. Okay, it's still not actually padding is not enough. And also submit button, maybe actually submit text should be I think capitals. Okay, then you can lower the font size and also you have to make it aligned. Okay, so I think now it's better than before, right? Like that you will get so many solutions, I mean so many suggestions about your design. So I think this is better for right now. Okay, and you can use this and you can make your productivity much higher than before, and let me know how it helped you for your design productivity. Okay guys, and I will definitely tell you how you can convert this design to HTML and CSS in the next video. Please subscribe for that and also like this video and share this video and comment this video. Thank you very much. Bye.